Hello, I am Sai Chetan from RV College. I joined WebPoise Technologies for Data Science Internship and I am grateful for the opportunity to work in this domain. During this internship, I have worked on a project titled Customer Segmentation. In this video, we will be explaining the project overview and the setup and execution process, the final outputs. So let me start with an introduction. So in this project, we are working on customer segmentation, which is a process for dividing customers into different groups based on the similar characteristics. We have used k-means clustering algorithms on the mall customer dataset, focusing mainly on annual income and spending sources to identify patterns in the customer behavior. This helps business understand who their customers are and how to approach them more effectively. Next, objectives. Okay, the objectives of the projects are to analyze the customer data to understand different customer characteristics, applying k-means clusterings to form meaningful customer segments, determine the optimal number of clusters using the elbow methods, and use these insights to support better marketing strategies and business decision making. And next methodology will be handled by Likit. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Likit from RV College of Engineering. I joined WebPoise Technologies for a data science internship, and I am grateful for the opportunity to work in this domain. And during this internship, I have worked on a project titled Customer Segmentation. I am explaining methodology and project overflow in this video. Methodology is first one is we loaded and cleaned the data set, and then we performed exploratory data analysis. In the exploratory data analysis, we understood the behavior of customer, and then we applied k-means cluster. K-means cluster is the unsupervised machine learning algorithm which will give exact behavior of customer, and then we evaluate the cluster count using elbow method. Then we visualize the result in graphical structure. Next slide. This is the workflow diagram. In workflow, we started project. We collected data set about different type of customers. The data set is in CSV file format, and we clean data by handling missing values and invalid values and removes null values. And then we done exploratory data analysis by using that data, and then we selected feature selection. The features are income and core of the customer, and then we train the data applied in k-means model, and then we predict the cluster. Then the result will be the result is shown in by using graphical structure, and the report will be submitted. The next slide will be explained by Vikas.
Hello, I am Vikas from RV College. I joined WebPoise Technologies for Data Science Internship, and I am grateful for this opportunity to work in this domain. During this internship, I have worked on customer segmentation project. In this video, I am explaining the detailed process of project and the results. First, we started with data cleaning. Cleaning data is very important because wrong data can lead to wrong clustering results. Next, we performed feature analysis to understand customer attributes such as age, gender, income, and spending score. Then we applied k-means clustering algorithm, which groups customers by minimizing the distances between the customers within the same clusters. To decide the optimal number of clusters, we used the elbow method. This method helps to avoid overfitting by selecting best values of k. Finally, we used data visualization to clearly see different customer groups. Results. As a result, the dataset was successfully prepared and cleaned. Using elbow method, we identified the optimal number of clusters, which improves the accuracy of customer segmentation. Based on clustering, we created customer profiles such as high income, high spending of customers, mid-tier customers, and low spending customers. This helps the company target premium customers, design personalized market strategies. Next section is continued by Anjan.
Hello everyone. I am Arvind from RV College. I joined WebPoise Technology for the Data Science Internship. I am grateful for the opportunity. These are visuals of results. These are visual generated from the elbow curve. So we have done an LO method to generate the optimal number of clusters. This is a line chart that generates a within cluster and the number of cluster in the line chart. So these gives an value between the WCCH and number of clusters. So we can clearly observe that the optimal number of clusters here is 5. From the after the 5, the number of clusters start increasing, then the value of WCC decreasing. So we can able to understand that number optimal number of clusters is 5. This is an scatter plot which shows the annual income and spending score. So the left margin shows that less annual income and less spending score, and this region shows that high spending score and low annual income, and this region shows that high annual income and high spending score, and this region shows that moderate annual income and moderate spending score, and this region shows high annual income and low spending score. So we can able to visualize the spending score and annual income using this scatter plot. And these are one more scatter plot. These will segregate the optimal number of clusters. So we have segregated to the 5 clusters. So these are cluster for the moderate annual income and moderate spending score. So these are cluster for low annual income and low spending score. So this cluster is for the low spending, high spending score and low annual income. This cluster shows about the low spending score and high annual income, and these clusters to high annual income and low spending score. Next will be explained by the Anjan.
Myself, Anjan from RV College. This is the business insight. High spenders are most valuable for customers by identifying how the company can focus on loyalty programs, exclusive offers, and premium services to retain them and increase the lifetime value. So the second point is the low spenders may need to a discount or an personalized offers. Uh, the entire level of offers can encourage them to spend more without increasing and marketing costs significantly. The third point is important insights income but low spending customers. These customers have strong purchasing potential. With the right engagement strategies, they can be converted to the high value consumers. Fourth point is overall customer segmentation. WebPoise optimize market efforts, reduces the unnecessary spending, and significantly improve ROI by delivering the right messages to the right customer group. Next slide will be done by Vaibhav.
Hello, I'm Vaibhav TL from RV College. I would like to conclude the topic customer segmentation using K-means. Customer segmentation plays a crucial role in helping businesses understand their audience more effectively. By applying K-means clustering, organizations can identify meaningful customer groups in a simple and efficient manner. The insights gained from this approach enables businesses to refine their marketing and sales strategies, ultimately driving better decision making and improved performance. Thank you.
Next we'll try to show the demo of the project. Is a notebook workspace for the project. So for initially we imported the libraries NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and the Seaborn. Matplotlib and Cbum for the visualization, NumPy for the numerical operation, and Pandas for the data manipulation. And we use an sklearn library for the k-means to import the logic of the k-means. And we initially we loaded the dataset, and we these initially we have taken the 5 values of the dataset, and we try to visualize the distribution of annual income over the count of the customers. So this visual clearly shows that distribution of annual income and account. And the next visual is the distribution of age versus over the count of the customers. So these visual, these bar graph shows that distribution of age over the count. Next, similarly, next visual shows the distribution of spending score over the count of the customers. So basically, we visualize all the three parameters for this visual. Next, these are gender distribution to count over the customers. So this usually gives more female customers than the male customers. And these are scatter plot, which will visualize the annual income over the spending score. So over the low spending score and low on income and high spending and high annual income. So we can be able to visualize all 5 different ranges of spending score and annual income. And this visual, as I explained before in the presentation, is an elbow method, which we were able